honeybees. However, there is a lot more to honeybees than just their dangerous stingers. In fact, since bees die after stinging a person, they won't attempt to do so unless they feel threatened. Part of what makes honeybees superorganisms is their complex organizational structure and how disciplined and united they are. You all must have seen hexagonal shaped homes that the honeybees live in called hives. A group of bees that live together in a hive are called a colony, and they are divided into three categories. Queen bee are the bees responsible for laying eggs, which is their only job. Queen bee is the largest bee in the hive. Worker bee is smallest bee in a hive, and drone bee is smaller than queen bee. Drone bee are the only male bees in the hive, and their only responsibility is to mate with the queen to preserve the pollution of the hive. Working bees are the female bees that are responsible for every other task other than reproducing new bees. They are the backbone of their colonies. Worker bees are the bees that actually make the honey. The 16th surah of Quran is named Al-Nahl after honeybees. Honeybees are referenced in the surah as being divinely inspired to build their hives in the places that they do. The fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned honeybees in the Quran is proof of their intelligence and importance. Apart from the bees, the honey produce is also mentioned in the Quran. Their other jobs include cleaning out the honeycombs, working for food, feeding the young larvae. And you must have advised to eat honey for your sore throat at one time or another. That's because honey is full of beneficial ingredients and includes antioxidants and as well antibacterial. Honeybees are not just regular bees, but highly disciplined of creatures of nature that enable them to exist as part of complex system of living. We should allow them to exist peacefully in their natural habitats and enable them to thrive because they are very important to us.